Did you know there may be newer methods to setting tool directions which can reduce the amount of clicks? Today, I'll show you how to do that.
I'll be starting in this drawing, which is already prepared. All the edges are joined, and then offset and set on material layers. I'm going to turn off my material layer to make it a little easier to see and select. In this first method, I'm going to break out all the common cut edges from the perimeters of my tops. I'll choose Break from the Edit toolbar, and then I'll choose to break geometries individual, using an endpoint snap to define the end of each segment. And then I'll choose Tool Direction and use my normal settings, left, reverse, and no. But instead of selecting each one, I will window them all by clicking in the corner, dragging to the opposite corner, and clicking again, fully enclosing all my parts. And if the arrows come out on the wrong side, I'll just reselect them again by clicking a new window to reverse all. And I can still click each one individually to reverse it as well. And then I'll still have to set my tool direction on my sink as a closed geometry, choosing inside counterclockwise and manually selecting the start point right about here. And you can always go verify that you've set the tool directions correctly by turning on Ghost Tools. I'm going to reopen this drawing to start over to show you a different method. This time, I'm going to set tool direction on the closed shapes before I break them into segments. I'll do the outside perimeters first, so I'll select Outside, Clockwise, and then No to set the start point on the closed shapes. And like before, I can window to select all of my objects, including the sink. So I'll have to choose Inside, Counterclockwise, and then I'll manually select the start point right about here. And now we'll go use Break like we did before to break the perimeter into cut segments. These segments will retain the cut to the outside as we saw before. And also like before, we'll go turn on Ghost Tools to double check and verify that our cut directions are set correctly. And then complete your program as normal, moving your parts and pods onto the table and applying your styles to make your program.
Thank you for watching. Now you know what I know. One more thing. Did you know that we have hundreds of resources available on our website for machine training and service? To find them, go to parkindustries.com. Thank you for choosing Park Industries.